Okay, on problem number 8, and it goes on to say an experienced bricklayer can work twice as fast as an apprentice bricklayer. After they work on a job for 12 hours, the experienced bricklayer quit. The apprentice required 8 more hours to finish the job. How long would the experienced bricklayer work alone to do the job? So what I want to do is I want to kind of summarize what they just said. All right. So I'm going to put down, there's 2 people working here. I'm going to put the experienced guy down and the apprentice. Right. So I'm going to put down work. I'll call him the first guy, the rate of the first guy, and the time of the first guy. This is the second guy, work, rate, and time. And I want to see if I can understand what they've said. So it says the experienced bricklayer can work twice as fast as an apprentice bricklayer. So I'm going to say, the apprentice can do one job every X hours. All right, we might have to revise this later. But the experienced guy could actually do 2 jobs every X hours. All right? That's what that first sentence says. Now, granted, we may have to revise this, but that's what it said. So an experienced bricklayer can work twice as fast as an apprentice. An apprentice can do 1 job every X hours, and the experienced guy can do 2 jobs in the same amount of time, X hours. I just don't know how many hours it is. So after they worked on the job for 12 hours, the experienced bricklayer quit. So I'm going to write that down. So the experienced guy only worked 12 hours. That's all he did. All right? But it goes on to say the apprentice required 8 hours more to finish the job. Well, he worked 12 plus 8. That's 20 hours. Let's write down their work. What do you get over here? It's 24 over, let's see, because 2 times, it's 24 over X, right? And this guy's going to be 20 over X. What do I know? The job's been completed. I'm going to add their works together. Plus 20 over X. And that would be 1 job. What I'm going to do, multiply both sides by the LCD, which is X. What do you get? 24 plus 20 equals X. What's X going to be equal to? Let's see, 24 and 20 is 44, right? Again, I get a good idea that I know what X is, but I don't think that's their question. What's their question? How long would the experienced bricklayer, if he worked alone in the job? Well, I'll write this down then. What's this rate going to be? 2 over, well, X is 44, right? So what does that mean? It's going to be 1 over 22. All right, I got to answer that question now. And what's the question? I'll read it to you again. How long would the experienced bricklayer work alone to do the job? Well, it's over here. He can do 1 job every 22 hours. So what's the answer over there? It's 22 hours. That's how long it would take him. All right? How long would it take the inexperienced guy? 44 hours to do a job. Let's look at the key, though. See if we got that one right. And what they say? 22 hours. And we're good to go. Thank you.